depths of silence where echoes remain. You were the sunrise, and I was the rain. A collision of souls, opposing in flight. I was the darkness, you yearned for the light. Now you're gone, and I'm losing my mind, losing my mind, I'm losing my mind. Now you're gone. Why did you cut me up, bring me out, and leave me high and dry?
Got dropped off at a sandbar in the middle of the river here in Alaska, and helicopter's not coming back for me. It's on me to find my way home. Don't let the sunshine fool you. It's 27 degrees Fahrenheit right now. Everything's frozen. We're just waiting for the first big snowfall to bury everything for the next 6 months. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh man, the river is gorgeous.